Next one. Okay, so KGB, I wouldn't just go through this, but I just want to share with you that's another point and figure targets that I do based on the reaccumulation. So that's posted there. I think I mentioned that the point and figure target is about 1.7 to 2 based on the courses built from February 2021. So that's this year. So the whole chunk right here is the reaccumulation. So based on the courses, this is the courses built, and I actually projected that the target is somewhere around 1.7 to 2. So further count can be added when the target is fulfilled. Let's see how the price interact with the target region. So if we just go to KGB and have a look right there, so you can see that KGB had a very impressive run up on Thursday and Friday. So you can see spike of the volume. Despite there is rejection tail, there isn't any downside follow through the next day. In fact, it just gap up, open higher, and then closed near the high. So there's a very strong momentum behind KGB. But right now is at about 1.8. So my target is about 1.7 to 2. So in terms of the short-term trading, whether you enter it, take the breakout trade, uh, I think that's on last Sunday, whether you take the breakout trade or you take this sort of the reversal trade, wait for a few weeks or months, then that could be your short-term trade. Somewhere around here can consider to take profits. But for long term, I still see is a bullish chart for KGB. Is definitely going for long term. Despite that it's reaching the target price, we still can wait because, like for example, if we invest KGB maybe somewhere here, and then after it just spike up, that is a short-term trade. So we can sit through this trading range, and subsequently after it just rally up, then for short-term trader that probably can take profit at the reversal or the capitulation bar. But for long-term trader, we sit through this. So maybe it's not for everyone, but it really depends on your trading plan, your trading time frame. So you just need to make up your mind. So that is a quite a long term time to sit through, like about 6 months, half a year, 8 months. From Nikki, the volume on Thursday is highest in more than 1 year. Yes, you are right. So I mean, I if I just zoom out, you can see that it's probably ever, right? It's the highest volume that we have ever seen right here, the Thursday volume. So I just think that there is probably a lot of the urgency for maybe the fund to jump in. So in case they still have not bought the KGB yet, then subsequently I think that there is a news about can't remember which investment bank. Probably it's Ganaga. I think they upgrade the price to about 2.5. So probably they are buying some more, and maybe some other IB, the banks are or the other funds are actually buying as well. But anyway, that doesn't really matter to us. Um, while we see this kind of the spike of the volume, there's a lot of the demand, and at the same time, there's a lot of the supply as well. So you can definitely see from this supply tail, but subsequently there is no follow through to the downside. However, if we jump to the hourly time frame, look at this. So in terms of the overall volume, I see that demand is decreasing, and also the trust to the upside is sort of waning as well. So it's also kind of losing up the momentum. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a reaction down with a increasing of the supply, because a lot of people will profit tag at this point, and then we can expect some form of the consolidation, and that will either form a reaccumulation or distribution. All right, so that's KGB.